Are you finding yourself wondering which financial model is going to be best for your commercial solar project? Then this video is for you. There is no one-size-fits-all financial model for solar projects. There's a lot of good options out there. However, what you're going to find is if you're a large publicly traded company, some of the financial models that are out there may not make sense. So for many companies, PPAs are the best option. And that typically is going to be a company that has a hard time approving really large CapEx projects and has very large energy draw. In situations like this, it would be best to take a look at a power purchase agreement. A power purchase agreement is a program that enables a company to not have to pay for the solar array. Somebody has to pay for it. Somebody has to own it. In our case, it's a company that's going to build the asset, own it, and then sell you the power. In many cases, you can keep the RECs that your company needs. That can be negotiated. And the idea is you can pay the same amount you're paying right now and go solar and get all the credit that you need from all the stakeholders.